Okay, we're going to show you this wiggle wire track before Richard puts it on the end on top of the bow. You can see why it's called a wiggle wire track. You see that track right there? Now that plastic lays right over that track like into that, and then the wire goes right in there. You can see how it goes in there to hold that. That's enough, Josh. And you see there, you can't get it out of there. But now to take it loose, and when you start to take the plastic off and put the shade on, look here, you just have to work it right back out of there, and there it comes, and you've got it out. I'm gonna give this to Richard, and he's gonna start putting it over the top of the house to show you what the wiggle wire track does. You want it right there, Richard? Okay. You notice he started it right in the middle of the house, and then as it comes down, he'll make connections on each side, just butt it up to it, and you have to put a screw right in the end of it as you get it down there. You'll see more when he gets through in a minute. We like a screw in that wiggle wire track about every 10 to 14 inches. Bless you. See, right at the end, he's going to put that right at the end, and that holds that in solid, and he's going to put another one right to it, and he'll put another screw right there and that other one right at the end of it. And then he'll bring it down. It will bend over. Just follow the contour of your pipe as Richard comes down through there putting the screws, and Josh holds it down for him. And then all you have to do is take a tape and measure up, see how tall you need that piece to join on, and then go back towards your top and go back to the other side and do the same thing. And you have that one on that end, and then there's one to put on this other end of the house. And then you have to put wiggle wire track around the door. If you show them where it goes on there, Josh, it goes right on the back side of that right there, a piece, and then a piece on the other side the same way. And then you put a short piece right across the back side of that right there. And that's all you have to do to hold the plastic on around your door frame. But you do have to put the track on the door on the inside of the door frame all the way around. And then on the middle, you put a short piece on the outside. So that's all it is, put the wiggle wire track on. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll be back with some more videos.